I'm starting the demo. This is a tool which is prepared by us named Jimple, which is Jira Made Simple. So currently we will be working on the two roles, which is the Scrum Master role and the normal employee role. So in the Scrum Master role, I'll start with the demo for the Scrum Master role. Suppose that when the Scrum Master logs in the app, he gets three tabs, namely Open Task, Create Task, and Work Log History. In Open Task, he will be able to see all the open tasks which has been maintained by the entire team and the entire team which is working on the open task. And when he clicks on log work, he will just be navigated to the Jira, and he can just log the work for his tasks. And whenever I go to create task, in create task I can create my own task under any backlog, and under any backlog I can create a task, and it will probably navigate to Jira. And now I will go to work log history, and this is the distinguishing feature which is not available in the current Jira landscape. And if you see here, all the employees which are reporting to me as a scrum master are listed down in the project, who can contribute towards the project. So and I can track that whatever work they have logged and whatever work they have not logged. So suppose if I click on this employee, particular employee, so the calendar loads up, and I can see that for which and all date the Jira task has been maintained for this particular employee. Or if I change the view for some other employees, so I can also see that what and all work has been logged by the particular employee. And that's all for the Scrum Master view. And now we'll go with the normal employee view. So I'll start with the second part of the demo, which is the normal employee view. If the normal employee comes to the Jimple app, so what and all he can do. So currently we have a filter based on the project, which is not project he has been assigned to. So the current project, if you select, so it will list on all the tasks and the backlog which are related to the current project and he has been assigned to. So in the open task view, we can see the open task for the particular user. And if we click on log work, so it will take us, navigate us to the Jira, and from there we can just directly log our work, and we are done. And suppose in the create task view, we can just create any task under the existing backlogs which are there in the team, and click on we can just click on create task, and create task screen will open up. We can just add our description and we can save it, so it will be reflected in our tool. And for the work log history, we can see that the listed task for a particular user, in which which are in process mode, and we can just directly click on the hours, and then just give the description and press on submit. So this submit will save the log work for that particular task. So so if we go back and see here, so we can see that the work has been logged for this particular days, and we can manage the work accordingly, log the work accordingly. The one more feature which we have is the vacation feature for the particular employee. So it is, the data is taken from the SSO SAP logon. So the if we go back and see that, okay, there is a leave or a vacation or a sick leave has been taken, so we do not need to maintain Jira for that particular date, and we can manage our logging of the work in Jira accordingly. That's all. Thank you. तो चार एक